Imagine this, a world where your kitchen isn't just a place for cooking, but a laboratory of flavors and health. Every pinch of spice or sprinkle of herb isn't just about taste, but about unlocking the power of nature to transform your well-being. Welcome to the world of spices and herbs, where ordinary ingredients become extraordinary healers. Today, we're delving deep into the top 12 most powerful spices and herbs that you should make a staple in your culinary arsenal. Get ready to spice up your life, literally. Spices and herbs have been cherished for centuries, not just for their ability to enhance the taste of our meals, but also for their remarkable health benefits. From fighting inflammation to boosting immunity, these natural wonders pack a punch that goes far beyond flavor. So, let's embark on a flavorful journey around the globe as we uncover the top 12 world-powerful spices and herbs you should eat often. 1. Turmeric, the golden wonder. Our journey begins with turmeric, the golden gem of the spice world. Originating from South Asia, this vibrant root has been used for millennia in Ayurvedic medicine for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is hailed for its ability to reduce joint pain, support brain health, and even lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Additionally, turmeric has shown promise in improving digestive health and promoting radiant skin. Its antioxidant properties help combat oxidative stress and protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Add a dash of turmeric to your curries, soups, or smoothies for a golden boost of health. 2. Cinnamon. Spice up your blood sugar. Next up, we have cinnamon, the sweet spice that does so much more than flavor your morning latte. Derived from the inner bark of the cinnamomum tree, cinnamon is rich in antioxidants and has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, making it a valuable ally in managing blood sugar levels. Studies have also suggested that cinnamon may have antimicrobial properties, helping to fight off bacteria and fungi. Furthermore, cinnamon is a good source of manganese, iron, and calcium, essential minerals that support overall health. Sprinkle cinnamon on your oatmeal, yogurt, or baked goods for a delicious way to support your metabolic health. 3. Garlic, nature's antibiotic. Garlic isn't just for keeping vampires at bay, it's also a powerhouse of health benefits. Packed with sulfur compounds like allicin, garlic boasts potent antimicrobial properties that can help fend off infections and support immune function. Studies have also linked garlic consumption to lower blood pressure and improved heart health. Moreover, garlic has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects, which may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cardiovascular disease and certain types of cancer. So don't hold back on adding garlic to your stir-fries, pasta sauces, and salad dressings. Your taste buds and your health will thank you. 4. Ginger, a soothing spice. When it comes to calming upset stomachs and easing nausea, ginger reigns supreme. This knobby root, native to Southeast Asia, contains bioactive compounds like gingerol and shogaol that possess anti-nausea and anti-inflammatory properties. In addition to its digestive benefits, ginger has been used for centuries to alleviate muscle pain and soreness. Some studies suggest that ginger may also help reduce menstrual pain and lower cholesterol levels. Whether you sip on ginger tea, add it to your stir-fries, or use it in marinades and dressings, incorporating ginger into your diet can help soothe digestive woes and promote overall wellness. 5. Chili peppers. Spice up your metabolism. If you like it hot, then chili peppers are your best friend. These fiery fruits contain capsaicin, the compound responsible for their heat, which also happens to rev up your metabolism and promote fat burning. But that's not all. Chili peppers are also packed with vitamins A and C, as well as antioxidants that help fight inflammation and support immune health. Some research even suggests that capsaicin may have pain-relieving properties and could help reduce appetite and calorie intake. So, don't shy away from adding a kick of heat to your meals with fresh or dried chili peppers. 6. Rosemary, a brain-boosting herb. Rosemary isn't just a fragrant addition to your roast chicken, it's also a potent brain booster. This woody herb is rich in carnosic acid, a compound that has been shown to protect the brain from neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Additionally, rosemary contains antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and inflammation throughout the body. Beyond its cognitive benefits, rosemary has also been used traditionally to alleviate muscle pain and improve digestion. Some studies suggest that inhaling the aroma of rosemary essential oil may enhance cognitive performance and improve mood. So next time you're cooking up a storm in the kitchen, be sure to sprinkle some rosemary for a flavorful dose of brain health. 7. Cumin, the digestive dynamo. Known for its warm and earthy flavor, cumin is more than just a culinary spice. It's also a digestive dynamo. This ancient spice is rich in compounds that stimulate enzyme secretion, aiding in the digestion and absorption of nutrients. Additionally, cumin has been shown to possess antimicrobial properties that can help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. Some research suggests that cumin may also have anti-inflammatory effects and could help reduce blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. So, whether you're seasoning your chili, curry, or roasted vegetables, cumin is a must-have spice for supporting digestive wellness. 8. Oregano, nature's antibacterial. When it comes to fighting off harmful bacteria, oregano is a force to be reckoned with. This fragrant herb contains carvacrol and thymol, two compounds with powerful antibacterial properties that can help protect against foodborne illnesses and promote gut health. Oregano is also rich in antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Some studies suggest that oregano may have antiviral properties and could help boost immune function. So, sprinkle oregano liberally on your pizzas, pastas, and salads for a flavorful boost of antimicrobial action. 9. Cloves, a dental delight. Cloves aren't just for holiday baking, they're also a secret weapon for oral health. These aromatic flower buds contain eugenol, a compound with potent antiseptic and analgesic properties that can help alleviate toothaches and gum pain. Cloves also boast anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that contribute to overall health and well-being. Some research suggests that cloves may have antimicrobial effects and could help protect against chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. So, whether you're brewing a cup of spiced chai or simmering a pot of mulled cider, don't forget to include cloves for a flavorful dose of dental delight. 10. Basil, the king of herbs. Basil isn't just a favorite herb in Italian cuisine, it's also a nutritional powerhouse with a host of health benefits. This fragrant herb is rich in essential oils like eugenol and linalool, which possess anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Basil also contains flavonoids and polyphenols that help protect against cellular damage and chronic diseases. Some research suggests that basil may have antidepressant effects and could help reduce stress and anxiety. Whether you're making pesto, adding it to salads, or garnishing your pizza, basil adds a burst of flavor and nutrition to any dish. 11. Thyme, an immune-boosting herb. When it comes to supporting immune health, thyme is a standout herb. This aromatic plant contains thymol, a potent compound with antiseptic and antifungal properties that can help ward off infections and promote respiratory health. Thyme is also rich in vitamins C and A, as well as antioxidants that help strengthen the immune system and protect against free radical damage. Beyond its immune-boosting properties, thyme has been used traditionally to alleviate coughs and sore throats. Some research suggests that thyme extract may help relieve respiratory symptoms associated with conditions like bronchitis and asthma. So brew a cup of thyme tea or add this flavorful herb to your soups, stews, and roasted vegetables for a delicious boost of immunity. 12. Parsley, a nutrient powerhouse. Last but not least, we have parsley, the unsung hero of the herb world. This vibrant green herb is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and well-being. Parsley is particularly rich in vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health and blood clotting. It's also a good source of vitamin C, which boosts immunity, and folate, which supports heart health. Moreover, parsley contains flavonoids and carotenoids, plant compounds that help protect against chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Some research suggests that parsley may also have diuretic properties and could help reduce bloating and water retention. So, don't just use parsley as a garnish. Chop it up and add it to salads, soups, and sauces for a nutritious flavor boost. 13. Cardamom, the fragrant warrior. Hailing from the lush forests of India, cardamom is not just a fragrant spice, it's also a potent warrior for your health. This exotic spice is rich in antioxidants and essential oils, making it a powerhouse of health benefits. Cardamom has been traditionally used in Ayurvedic medicine to aid digestion, freshen breath, and relieve respiratory issues. Studies have shown that cardamom may help lower blood pressure and improve heart health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Furthermore, its antimicrobial properties may help fight off harmful bacteria and protect against oral infections. Whether you're brewing a cup of chai or adding a pinch to your desserts, cardamom adds a delightful aroma and a burst of health to your dishes. 14. Black pepper, the king of spices. Black pepper isn't just a staple spice in your kitchen, it's also the king of spices, revered for its bold flavor and impressive health benefits. Derived from the dried berries of the Piper nigrum plant, black pepper contains piperine, a bioactive compound that gives it its characteristic taste and aroma. Studies have shown that piperine may enhance nutrient absorption, making black pepper a valuable addition to any meal. Furthermore, black pepper has been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that may help protect against chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. So, don't hesitate to grind some fresh black pepper onto your dishes for a flavorful kick and a boost of health. 15. Saffron, the golden elixir. Saffron, the most expensive spice in the world, isn't just prized for its vibrant color and luxurious flavor, it's also a treasure trove of health benefits. Derived from the stigma of the Crocus sativus flower, saffron has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its antidepressant and mood-enhancing properties. Studies have shown that saffron may help improve mood, reduce symptoms of depression, and enhance cognitive function. Furthermore, saffron contains compounds like crocin and safranal, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects that may protect against chronic diseases. Whether you're adding a pinch to your rice dishes or infusing it into your tea, saffron adds a touch of elegance and a wealth of health benefits to your culinary creations. Spices and herbs aren't just ingredients. They're nature's medicine cabinet, offering a treasure trove of health benefits that can transform your well-being from the inside out. By incorporating these top 15 world-powerful spices and herbs into your daily diet, you're not just tantalizing your taste buds, you're nourishing your body and soul with the power of plants. So let your kitchen become your pharmacy, and let every meal be a celebration of health and flavor. Here's to spicing up your life in the most delicious and nutritious way possible.